No.
Hey kids, look what I have today. I have Bluey's 3-in-1 Transforming Plane Playset. It can turn into 3 things. Let's turn it on this side and see what it can turn into. Wow, it's a plane, it's a resort, and it's a boat. Wow, that's multitasking. Do you want to open this playset with me? I am excited as well. Let's go. Let's open it up. So I have unpacked the entire plane. It's a big plane. I can see a couple of wings on each side, and there is also a lock to open it up. But before we do that, let's open and see what's inside this bag. I have some stickers and a passport for Bluey. Wow! And I also have a couple of chairs, I guess to sit inside the plane, and a trolley. Wow! A screen, I guess to order something, and there is this table as well. Let's see where all this would fit inside, or another trolley over here. What is this? I have no idea, but I'll find out. And there is also this bucket over here. It's shaped like an octagon, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. That's an interesting shape, and it has the word Bluey inside it. Now, let's see if we can open this plane up. I have a lock over here. Let's open this lock. And here you go. Wow. That is so interesting. Oh, I forgot to open this lock. Let's open this up. Wow. That is so interesting. Look at all the chairs. These chairs can swivel. That means that you can turn them around like this. Something you will need in an airplane. And look over here. There is a bed and an air conditioner. Wow, there is also a toilet over here. And this is the boat. And hammock for the resort. And what's inside a boat? There is a lifebuoy over here and a place to sit. I think that's where the pilot of the boat will sit, or even the pilot of the airplane can sit over here. That's so cool. Let's look on the other side. I have the wing over here and another wing over here. And let's look at the back. I think I can even turn it on and off. Wow. And this must be the resort. You have the sandy beach and a hammock over here. This is so cool. It also comes with 2 figurines. Let's see who is this. That's the pilot Bluey. I think I can even remove the cap. Wow, that's so cool. Can I take off the glasses? I don't think so. But Bluey is the pilot and it's got some Ray-Bans. That's cool glasses, Bluey. Thank you. And who else do we have here? Look! It's Bingo, and she is wearing glasses too. You will definitely need some sunglasses if you're going for a vacation, Bingo. That's why I like green sunglasses. That's so cool, Bingo. Let's discard this plastic. Make sure to recycle these. So this set comes with only 2 figurines. You will have to get more passengers, Bingo and Bluey. Yes, we want our mom and dad and our friends. Let's go get more passengers and then we can take off on this plane. Yay! And here you go. I have Bandit, Chili, and Bingo and Bluey's grandma over here. So, are you guys ready to go on a vacation? Yes, we are! We are gonna fly on Healer 1. What's Healer 1, Bandit? That's the name of our airplane. Like you have Air Force 1, we have Healer 1.